this woman still they count money when he make today. Madam, how much you make today?
I don't make anything.
You don't make anything?
I never make money today.
Nigeria, not they satisfied. Nothing is satisfied.
I leave me job.
Madam, this money when they are never reach.
Which money?
It never reach. Okay, never make money. Give me this one.
I leave me job.
Alright, if you watch me live on Wazobia TV, it's on your street Yansh. You get one question when I want to enter street today. The question are like this. Say, if you just you carry woman enter house, after so much money, you don't pay the woman finish. Pay better money enter house. Before you say, I come and say the woman, now fake Borbi, fake bra, and fake Yansh. Now, what you go do, bro? Still on the matter on street Yansh or Wazobia TV, bro. If not, what you go do?
I don't get time for those.
What you go do?
I don't go do anything now.
You say a fake one, fake.
Na fake one.
You know what you go do?
I don't go do anything.
You don't pay money?
I don't pay my come out now.
You come out?
Direct.
This guy don't form my hand. This guy form my hand. Oh God, I don't say you must do something. Cause the way your head be, so I don't say you are a fighter. After our guy, if now you go.
At the same time.
This guy they be crook. Alright, still on the matter of straight hands on Wazobia TV. Back it there. As you dey like this, okay, you dey jolly, you dey enjoy. You dey cash fund, abi?
I don't
What
mind.
of as you pay small, you don't pay woman money, Kari and Richards, as you Kari and Richards, when I say na fake bra and fake Yansh, what you go do?
I go discourage now.
You discourage, abi?
Yes,
You go
sir.
collect your money.
You know, if you know, it don't enter there now. Be a bank.
Now, be a
No
bank,
withdrawal.
abi? So now the name of the bank be that.
Now be a
Be a
bank.
Alright, still on the matter. Back it there. The guy say now be a bank. Now be a bank. I don't know where this bros go. Bro, I hear you. Yeah, the bro say he say not in the mood. How far now? As you do like this, if they ask you, if you carry woman enter house, you carry woman enter house, they enter, don't pay money, don't pay like 80k, 100k, you know that kind of thing. Like even on a 30k self. At the end of the conference, say the woman a fake bra, a fake Yansh. What you go do?
We don't used to it now. I be say we just collect my money back. Nothing me that.
Collect your money back.
And I so now.
What if you don't enter be a bear bank?
I never enter. I don't see now. You go well open your shop before I enter now.
As you see, I say the shop no good. You go
I go return my money now.
return it?
I no go buy market
you
there.
don't buy market.
Waiting now.
Must be a bad market.
I don't be a bad marketer now.
Bros, if now you go, if now you go.
You go return my money now.
As you say, you say a fake bra, fake
I don't go even carry bad market.
You say Wetin?
I no go carry bad market.
You no go ever carry bad market.
Lie.
But before you carry, you go test, abi?
I go look well before I carry.
I'll make shake for you first.
You must now. We don't dey video, they do anything. We never know wetin dey happen.
Don't
No.
worry, don't be waiting to happen in the season.
Okay.
Now give you number.
Give me
If you do like this, you can't carry woman enter house. After you don't pay the woman finish. Because I say, bra, fake bra, and fake Yansh. What you go do?
Tí mo dẹ̀ ti sanwó, where I don't pay money. I swear to JJ, I'll collect my money back. I'll collect my money back because that's where I see now. Make me enter. I can't enter, see foam. No Yansh, maybe na Papa see. I swear I'll collect my money.
Where?
Kò sèrè, máa gbó mi. Máa gbó mi ni o, àgótọ́ ni o, máa gbó mi ni ọ̀gá mi o.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ò sọ̀rọ̀ ni.
Máa gbó mi ni ọ̀gá mi máa sọ, ọ́ ìwò tún sọ fún mi.
All right, still on the matter of street hands on Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, how far now? Oh yeah, show. Come talk. All right, how far?
First of all, congratulations for your wife. Your wife deliverance.
Deliverance. My wife
yes,
gave birth to a
yes.
bouncing baby boy.
Baby boy,
That's
I know.
good. That's good.
Overcome I won.
Yeah. How far are you there now?
I'm fine.
So as you do like this, I know say you dey jaye well. You can't pay woman, Kari and Richards. You can't find out saying a fake bra and fake Yansh. They what you go do?
You go give person.
You go keep person.
Wait till I won't come do. I go leave am go now.
You know collect your money back.
I go collect my money
Got the money
but the thing be say I know they do that kind thing. You know now.
Yeah,
We know they do that kind.
Forget that kind thing. Bros, good afternoon. Wazobia TV. See what you did there, bros. All of us na guy man for this town. No, don't be say want to bros. Every day do that sir. As you did, I fear me pause small. Your pause small.
So Wetin happen now? So Wetin happen now?
See what you did there. If you carry woman enter house, as you carry woman enter house, you go carry her enter house finish. You come find and say na fake bra and fake Yansh, what you go do?
I beg stop this kind of thing, I
No,
beg.
na question I ask now.
Wetin I wan do?
What you go do?
Na you I go catch now.
As you carry woman enter.
No be you package am come.
No, you don't pay the money, now you use your own money.
I beg, I no dey for that. I no dey for that one, I beg.
dey for that one.
I no dey.
All right, still on the matter of Street Chance on Wazobia TV. The guy not really understand the question when I throw for him. Because the guy brain and the head now they work out together. The guy, you don't understand at all. Bro, good afternoon.
Ah, but I'm in a hurry.
I know all of us in a hurry.
I swear I dey hurry.
You know, reach 5 1 second.
Ah, I swear I dey hurry.
Like this, if you carry woman enter, I know all of us they do. If you carry woman enter, you don't pay so much money as you carry her enter. You come and see fake bra and fake Yansh now carry. What you go do?
I'll pray for her.
You go pray for her.
Spell her.
You no collect your money.
Hell no, I'll pray for her. She needs Jesus for her life.
All right, still on the matter. Street Chance on Wazobia TV. This summer, Sha. I they come. Bros, as you did now, if you put mouth for this question, as you did now, you come carry woman enter house and you don't pay money, better money like 30K, 40K, 50K. Like you know, they still like if you pay 100K on top of woman. That kind of thing now. At the end of the day now, come carry enter house, come say now, fake bra, fake Yansh, you carry. What you go do?
I go leave am, where you go?
Yeah, you don't collect your money back.
I no claim my money.
Okay, as the money don't enter, be
That time, I let it go. And then you don't force me to come there.
you not force it
You
come.
don't force me, I'm can come.
Your bros, the way I look you before, I say you know they're responsible, but you not they responsible. Bros, if now you come.
Na the same thing
Are
na.
you sure? Because your bros come.
No, na
Now lie,
confirm
people
na.
like now they vex quick.
No, I no dey
Bros,
like
no
that
vex.
na.
Speak give me like 10K there. Speak me like 10K
I
there.
don't have gun, I don't prepare for it.
All right, so the matter Street Chance on Wazobia TV. All right, if they watch live, you see they watch live, and like this, until they wrap up the show today. My name is MC Shaggy, commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Money, carry woman, enter house, fake Yansh, fake bra. What you gonna do? And so we take wrap the program. Still on the matter. Back.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.